Welcome back to Romanovich Auto Surgeon. We are back at it, and today we are back on this 2018 Ford Titanium Ecosport. It is looking immaculate. Just one thing is bothering us from not selling this thing. It's already registered and everything. Got a nice spotless clean. We still gotta do a little bit of cleanup on the trim, but here is our damage as well. This is some serious scratches. This is really fine, can barely feel this, but this has some serious grooves in there. So what we're gonna do is go ahead. I was gonna take the whole fender off. That way, if I spray it and it gets a little chilly, I can bring it inside the garage. But I'm thinking with it warming up a little bit and sand it on the car, we're gonna go ahead and spray it maybe on the car. That way it'll save us time from removing everything, because we would have to remove the whole front bumper and all that stuff, or at least move this stuff out to be able to remove this fender. So we're just gonna move along with it being on the vehicle. We're gonna go ahead and sand it down. We're gonna mask this off right here because it's already nice and clean. It probably will still be getting another wash job after this. But without wasting any more time, if you guys are new to this channel, make sure to tap that subscribe button, hit the little bell so you guys get notifications of other builds and progresses of little builds like this. And I'll catch you guys later. So what we're gonna do, we got a little pad for 220 and 320. I think we're just gonna use 320 on these really fine edges. We probably just gonna use a microfiber towel, but here we'll do 320. All right, so here we're literally gonna just only do 600. It is super smooth. Can't feel this line whatsoever. That is really nice. Here's a little bit of a gouging, but it's not too deep. So what I'm gonna do is just put some spot putty right there, and then we're gonna sand the rest of this with 600 very lightly with water after this cures, and then we're gonna spray the whole thing. So I already went ahead and masked it all off just so we can be ready if the weather is perfect. So we're gonna move forward. So off camera I went ahead and sanded this down with 600. It is super smooth. We got a little bit more areas to do, but I wanted to go ahead and attack that right there since it's already nice and dry. I'm gonna go ahead and sand it down with 320 and go to 400 and then 600, and that should be perfect. We should be ready to go ahead and spray it. All right, so I'll let you touch it. It is super smooth, everything. I just found a little divot here, like a little dent. So I'm gonna go and fill that up a little bit just as well, just so it is all perfect and smooth. Since we're here already at this stage, we might as well do it. And make sure when you're gonna sand this to 600, it's gotta be all like this. No gloss whatsoever. So let's go ahead and fill that in real quick and get this rolling. All right, so everything is sanded down. I went ahead and sprayed our filler primer right here. You can get it in a spray can if you're doing small projects. It's really good. It fills the deep scratches and sands really easy. Pretty awesome. So I went ahead and put a nice coat right there. After it dries, I'm gonna go ahead and sand it down, make sure nice and smooth everywhere. Make sure we don't have any lines or anything like that. And once that is done, we can go ahead and spray the color and then the clear. This is exciting. I'm gonna go spray the color maybe like that far, stop it right there, spray the color here as well. So I might go just that right there, and then I'll blend the rest onto there. Yeah, here we go. First coat is down. I'm literally spraying it so light. It's like maybe 20 psi. Just making sure I don't get any runs. I either do more coats and very soft coats instead of getting runs. So then having to redo everything. So it's gonna look good, I think. We're just gonna do a nice little tech coat right there. And then we're gonna do it again. Wait a little bit, about 10 minutes to 15. Hopefully get this thing done. All right, coat number 2. All right, guys, so 3 coats of paint is down. It's looking pretty nice. I love it. We're gonna go ahead and spray our first coat of clear. Gotta be careful again. We're gonna use the same nozzle, 1.3, my bad. But yeah, let's go ahead and try to spray some clear. Oh yeah, perfect. So here is our first coat of clear. I'm doing a, what's it called? Single step again, or a couple steps. Put a nice tack cloth, that way it has something to grab onto. And so yeah, up here it came out really nice and clean. Has all that sparkle in it. It's funny because that's not trash, that's just sparkle. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and give it a few seconds, well, a few minutes, and then spray our second coat. But yeah, look at that, look, came out beautiful right there. Sweet, sweet, love it. Okay, so we're gonna give it about 10 minutes to flash, spray it again, and see what happens. Put it on. Feel like we just stopped at the perfect time, where we didn't add too much because it would have ran. Other than that, it actually came out beautiful. Thinking of doing maybe one more coat just for the durability purposes. But look at that, beautiful. Shine everywhere, gorgeous. So I'm gonna let this cure for about 15 minutes. I'll come back and see if we need to hit it again. That's about it for this Ford. We are planning, I got some, my brother was able to find some special of this stuff for trim that restores the trim. So let me show you guys. He did a great job of getting this thing cleaned up. I mean, all the wheels are beautiful. The whole paint job all around looks really nice. But we are also wanting to do a little bit of trim restoration right here. We're gonna try this out. No, I'm not sponsored. I would love to be, but no worries. So we were trying to restore some of this trim. This is brand new. I mean, you look at that and then you look at this, the old stuff. It looks kind of sucky, but that just happens. That's what happens with this kind of old trim. So what I'm gonna do is try to go ahead and read all these instructions properly and figure this out. And I'll go give it, I guess, a little buff job for all the trim that's all the way around. And that's gonna be a wrap up for this thing. It is ready to go to sale. Super excited. It was a good time coming. Excited to be finally done with this thing and moving on to the bigger and better things. So yeah, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to tap that subscribe button, hit the little bell to get notifications of other builds to come. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.